Let's replace the blinker light on a Toyota Camry 2007 2.4 liter. So let's see which blinky blinky is actually out. Well, it ain't the passenger. And there's your answer, driver's side. So I already got the hood pop for you guys, and this is going to be a fun one because we have to take off the entire bumper to get the headlight out to actually get to the bulb. So in order to do that, we got a bolt here, which I already unscrewed. A bolt here, which I already unscrewed, and there is one in a fun spot way down there in the darkness where you can't even see. Alright, now that we got the bolt in the darkness out, we can pretty much just pull this right on out. Just like that. And there's all your wiring. And here lies your blinker bulb. See how she looks. Huh! What do you know? There's nothing even in it. Ah, gotta love the fun world of automotive. And here's our new blinky blinky bulb. Always make sure to match that microscopic little part number that you can never really see. So as always, try not to touch the bulb with your fingers because the oil on your hands actually has a tendency to destroy the bulb and they actually burn out sooner. That especially goes for headlights, most of all. Alright, we got our blinky blinky bulb in, so let's give her a test run. And as you can already tell, it is working perfectly. Got our blinky blinky harness in, so we'll just slap her back together and call it a day. Screw her screws back in. And I think you get the gist of it. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.